Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Contemporary bedrooms prioritize clean lines, functionality, and creating a light and airy feel. Here's a breakdown of the key elements: furniture, simple silhouettes, think clean lines, minimal fuss, and geometric shapes. Platform beds, low-profile dressers, and sleek nightstands are popular choices. Neutral colors, opt for furniture in neutral tones like white, gray, beige, or black. This creates a calming base and allows for pops of color with accents, mixed textures. While the overall look is clean, add visual interest by incorporating textures. Pair a leather headboard with a fluffy rug or a woven basket nightstand. Color and lighting, neutral walls. Keep walls light and neutral, white, gray, beige, to create a sense of spaciousness. Pops of color. Don't be afraid to add personality with pops of color in artwork, throw pillows, or accent furniture. Jewel tones, emerald green, and blush pink are on trend. Ample lighting. Contemporary bedrooms prioritize good lighting. Use a mix of overhead lighting, sleek floor lamps, and minimalist table lamps for a bright and inviting atmosphere. Decor, minimalist approach, avoid clutter. Opt for a few statement pieces that showcase your style rather than a lot of knickknacks. Organic materials, natural materials like wood, stone, and wool add warmth and texture to the clean lines. Consider a chunky knit throw or a wooden side table. Modern artwork, abstract art, geometric prints, and metal sculptures complement the clean aesthetic. Opt for large-scale pieces or a gallery wall. Additional features: statement rug. An area rug with a geometric pattern or a neutral color can define the sleeping space and add a touch of personality. Indoor plants. Plants add life, color, and a touch of nature to a contemporary bedroom. Choose low-maintenance plants that fit your style. Window treatments. Opt for simple roller shades or Roman blinds in neutral tones to maintain the clean lines. By incorporating these elements, you can create a contemporary bedroom that's both stylish and comfortable. Why choose a contemporary bedroom design? There are several reasons why a contemporary bedroom design might be perfect for you. Timeless style. Contemporary design avoids fleeting trends and focuses on clean lines and neutral tones. This creates a look that will stay fresh for years to come, saving you from frequent updates. Feel spacious. The emphasis on light colors, minimal clutter, and clean lines makes contemporary bedrooms feel more open and airy. This is especially beneficial for smaller bedrooms. Functionality first. Contemporary design prioritizes comfort and practicality. The furniture is designed for ease of use, and the layout allows for smooth traffic flow. Versatility is key. A contemporary bedroom acts as a blank canvas for your style. You can easily personalize it with pops of color, artwork, and unique accents to reflect your taste. Getting started with your contemporary bedroom haven. 1. Budgeting is crucial. Before diving in, determine how much you're comfortable spending on furniture, decor, and any potential renovations. 2. Measure up. Knowing the dimensions of your bedroom is essential. It helps you choose furniture that fits the space well and allows for comfortable movement. 3. Consider your lifestyle. Think about how you use your bedroom. Do you need a dedicated workspace? Ample storage? This will help you determine the furniture layout and functionality. 4. Mood board magic. Create a mood board to visualize your ideal contemporary bedroom. Use online tools like Pinterest or cut out magazine images. This will help you define your color scheme, furniture style, and overall aesthetic. 5. Invest in key pieces. Start with high-quality furniture like a comfortable bed, a stylish dresser, and sleek nightstands. You can add accent pieces later. 6. Declutter is the mantra. Embrace minimalism. In contemporary design, less is truly more. Choose a few statement pieces you love and avoid filling the space with clutter. 7. Accessorize with intention. Once you have the basics, personalize the space. Add pops of color with artwork, throw pillows, or a statement rug. Don't forget to incorporate natural elements like plants and wood accents for warmth. By following these tips and letting your creativity flow, you can transform your bedroom into a serene and stylish contemporary retreat. Imagine waking up in a serene haven of clean lines and modern touches. Intrigued by contemporary bedroom design? Look online for my channel and be inspired to create your dream contemporary retreat. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.